Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. We all know that Kokoro 82 million parameter model is a sheer quality. We have covered it in depth on the channel. You have seen me covering it on a local system, in cloud, and from various angles on various use cases. In this video, I am going to show you yet another use case where you can use this amazing model to generate about an hour of audio per minute on any sort of hardware, whether it is GPU, CPU. If you have plenty of RAM, which means around 32 GB of memory, you should be able to generate such a lengthy audio with your text. We are going to install it locally and then I will be showing you how easily you can do that. If you are interested in learning more about this amazing model, I would highly recommend you to search through my channel and you should be able to find heaps of videos. The project which I am going to use for this is called as Kokoro FastAPI TTS or FastKoko. I am going to install it and then we will see how we can generate it. There are a lot of good things happening with this. And by the way, if you're not aware of what this Kokoro 82 million parameter model is, you need to do two things. First, you need to go to my channel and search with Kokoro and then watch these couple of videos, and then the other thing is that I'm just going to give you a two-liner on this. Kokoro is an open weight TTS model or text to speech model with 82 million parameters. That's it. Despite its lightweight architecture, it delivers high quality if you compare it to larger models, but it is faster and it is very cost efficient. Plus it has got Apache to license weights. Okay, now you know what this model is, and this project makes it really easy to get it installed locally and then generate prolonged videos, and I will drop the link to its repo in video's description. Let's get it installed and then we will see how it works. For this video, the VM and GPU is sponsored by our very good friends at Mass Compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very cheap prices, you can find the link to their website with a discount coupon of 50% in the video's description. This is my VM where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04, and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Now the only thing which you would need for this thing to get installed is a Docker. I am running a recent version of Docker. If you don't know what Docker is, how to get it installed, please search my channel and you should be able to find heaps of videos around it. So installation is just one line. All you need to do is to run this Docker command. If you have GPUs, if you don't have GPUs, just remove this dash test GPUs space all and run it as is. It is going to download all the images and then it is going to run it, and then you can access it in your Gradio in your web browser. So let me run it, and it is going to download all the stuff from the Docker hub. So let's wait for it. Shouldn't take too long. As you can see that it installs everything for us, so we don't have to worry about prerequisites or the underlying model, which is a cool thing about it. And now apparently it is downloading the model. Shouldn't take too long from here. And there you go, the application is now running on our local host. So let me access it. I'm just going to give it this, and there you go, our Kokoro TTS demo is running and it has pre-populated with some of the data, as you can see on the left hand side. Now here all you need to do is to just either upload your file, and or you could just paste your text here and it is going to generate the audio for you. There are also some audio samples which you can check. For example, you see that it is using this voice for sample, and then you can select it as you like, and then this is where the uploaded file is, and this is where you can set some of the parameters, generated speech and performance summary. Now let me upload a file from my local system and then we will see how it works. So I'm just going to go on my local directory. I'll just select. So what I did, I just got this book from project Gutenberg. It's a history of the world, short history of the world by H.G. Wells. So let me also show you. So this is a whole book which I have copied from there. By the way, great project Gutenberg. They are looking for donations at the moment. I'm not affiliated with them, so if you're looking to donate somewhere for a worthy cause, I would highly suggest checking them out. Okay, so this is a book, and then once you have uploaded it there, where you see that I have uploaded this book.txt, and then you can simply go and then you can do generate speech from here. So let me do it. And sorry, by the way, you can also go with any other one. So maybe let's go with this American Jessica, or let me see if any British female. Maybe I'll just go with British Alice. Okay, let me run it. And as soon as you run it, it has started processing it. So let's wait. While that happens, let's also quickly check the VRAM consumption. And you see that while I was running, it has already almost there. So it is chunking it and doing that. I will let it run so that we will see the speed and timing together. And meanwhile, I'll check my VRAM consumption. So it is consuming just under 2 gig of VRAM. How good is that? This is out of this world. Really, really amazing stuff. So it is running at the moment, and then it is processing the chunks. It is also doing some sort of summary here. It says GPU time left is this, so over a minute I would say it is taking for a huge book. So I will let it run and then we will see what it works. And while it completes this, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back to see what is happening. 25-second left. Let's wait for it. And there you go, it has generated this speech from this text, and it has also given us a performance summary as how long did it take, how many tokens did it took, which is quite good. And then this is some of the metrics in the graph format around chunking, where chunking simply means that it divided our text into smaller pieces to manage it better. How good is that? Okay, beautiful stuff. Okay, so now let's play it out. So I'm just going to play it for you, and you see it is a 2 hours long audio, it seems. So let me play it for you.
The story of our world is a story that is still very imperfectly known. A couple of 100 years ago, men possessed the history of little more than the last 3,000 years. What happened before that time was a matter of legend and speculation. Over a large part of the civilized world, it was believed and taught that the world had been created suddenly in 4004 BC, though authorities differed as to whether
And I will just move it forward a bit so that we will just check the audio.
this had occurred in the spring and by religious teachers, and it is universal by putting mirrors facing each other at either end, but that the universe in which we live has existed only for 6 time it was supposed to be flat, and various ideas which now seem fantastic were entertained about its relations to the sky and the stars and planets. We know now that it rotates upon its axis, which is about 24 miles shorter than its equatorial diameter, every 24 hours, and that the 1-inch diameter, the sun would be a big globe.
So isn't it magic? I mean, this is really out of this world. So real good work by this person, Kokoro FastAPI TTS. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it, generate whatever you want to generate speech from the text, and let me know how it goes. If you like the content, do me a favor and please subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.